We're going to go ahead and replace our blower motor resistor connector and harness. Is located right down here, connected to our blower motor. I'm going to go ahead and pop this tube off right here. Tuck this up and away on the side here. I'm going to use a pick and come down here to this connector. I reach down there, pull up on that little lock tab. We'll get our harness disconnected. All right, so this is the harness we're going to replace. We're just going to put a mat here, and we're going to go ahead and start peeling back some of our tape that's on here. Your vehicle may have tape, or it might be a wire loom that's on here. You want to go ahead and remove that loom or tape, make it a little bit quicker. I'm just going to use a razor blade and I'm just going to gently slice this tape down. I want to be careful not to cut into the insulation of the other wires that are here. Now this unit here looks like it was replaced at one time. So what we're going to do is we're just going to cut back a little bit further to the colored wires here. We have plenty to work with. Now the big thing we want to pay attention to is these colors and the position of where they go into on our connector. If we just cut this off here, we don't know what wires go to what connector pin. So let's go ahead and grab our new harness. I'm going to go ahead and match this up. And we're going to do one at a time. We're going to cut it and connect it to the corresponding colored harness here. So we're going to start with our end right here. Follow this wire back. And it's going to be this one here, comes back to our green wire. I'm going to go ahead and cut this. Going to use our wire stripper here. Make sure we have the corresponding amount of connector wire here to join this. We don't want to use this whole pigtail, it's not necessary, but we will give it a little bit of extra room here. I'm going to go ahead and take our connector right here. Going to insert that, twist it in. I'm going to go ahead and crimp this end right here. Give it a little tug, make sure it's locked in. Then we'll go ahead and take our green wire, insert it into this end. And let's crimp that one. Give that a little tug, make sure that's locked in, and we're good. Let's move on to the other three. We're going to repeat that same process. Let's go ahead and heat up our insulators here. They should shrink down and tighten things up a little bit. Once we have all these shrunk up and sealed up, we'll tape these. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and tape this up. I'm just going to run our electrical tape and run it in a spiral pattern. And once we have this all wrapped up nice and neat, we'll go ahead and reconnect our connector. Just go ahead and bring it down and line that up. Press it in, you'll feel that snap into place. Then we'll go ahead and install our connector right here for a rubber boot. Press that on. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.